In the previous lecture, we have discussed the topic distance and displacement and questions regarding that. Now we will discuss some more example of distance and displacement. For example, a farmer moves a square field boundary. A farmer moves a square field boundary of each side 10 meter in 40 seconds. This is a square field boundary of each side 10 meter. He covered this one round in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of distance and displacement at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds? Question is, what will be the magnitude of distance and displacement at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds? 2 मिनट और 20 सेकंड मतलब टोटल टाइम कितना हो गया? 2 × 60 + 20 140 सेकेंड। एक राउंड को कंप्लीट करने में लगा टाइम 40 सेकेंड। चलिए क्वेश्चन को कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं, लेट अस सी एंड यू कैन लर्न इट, प्रैक्टिस इट बाय रिवाइंड द वीडियो अगेन एंड अगेन एंड कैन सी। You can see 40 seconds need to complete one round. 40 seconds need to complete one round. Now the total time 140 seconds need to complete. Total rounds निकाल लेंगे 40/140 into 41/40 into 140. Sorry, that is equal to 3.5 rounds. Now distance covered in one round, that is equal to 4 into each side. That is what it is. It is a square field boundary. So we can calculate the distance for the square field boundary is perimeter. Perimeter is 4 into each side. 4 into 10, 40 meter. This is the distance in one round. In 3.5 round multiply करिए 3.5 into 40 140 आ गया. This is the distance traveled. Now what is the displacement? You can calculate the displacement by this way. Look, displacement in 3.5 round, one round displacement 0, 2 rounds 0, 3 rounds 0, 3.5 round from A to C, shortest path. This is displacement AC. Again apply Pythagoras, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, square of 10 plus square of 10 200, और यू कैन से 10 √2। √2 की वैल्यू 1.414 सॉल्व करके ये भी लिख सकते हो। सो द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज इक्वल टू 14.14 मीटर फ्रॉम ए टू सी, फ्रॉम ए टू सी। द सिमिलर क्वेश्चन, exactly similar kind of questions, but the path is different. You have to see and do yourself. If any problem, then discuss with me. Let us see. An athlete completes a one round of circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. Time same. Here in this case, that is square field boundary. One round in 40 seconds. Similar. Circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. That is time complete one round 40 seconds same. Time to complete one round 40 seconds. Total time, the question is, what will be the distance and displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? Same question, but the path is circular track. Similarly, 140 seconds, the number of rounds in 40 seconds is equal to one round. 140 सेकेंड में सेम आएगा बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली 1/40 इंटू 140, 3.5 राउंड्स आ गए। सिमिलरली द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड इन वन राउंड 4 इंटू पेरीमीटर, हेयर 4 इंटू सर्कमफ्रांस, वट द वैल्यू इज सर्कमफ्रांस ओनली। डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इज अ सर्कमफ्रांस, वन राउंड डिस्टेंस कवर्ड सर्कमफ्रांस। इन 3.5 राउंड्स मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए 3.5 इंटू सर्कमफ्रांस, and the value will be 2200 meter. The displacement after one round 0, displacement after 2 rounds 0, after 3 round 0, after 3.5 round, that is the displacement initial A final B, straight line AB. and AB is equal to diameter. You can write AB or diameter 200 meter. So for further topics we will discuss in next video.